وأصحابه أجمعين أما بعد رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning to our Undersecretary of Health, Dr. Abdullah Imam Junior Sir, to our Medical Center Chief, Dr. Ismail Dimaren Sir, to the representative from the Office of the Mayor, you can see brother Sir Ongki, and the City Health Officer, Dr. Haris Ali, and together with his wife, the only one and only wife, and of course to the different representatives from other stakeholders, other agencies, to the head of HEDMO, Dr. Faisal Umaka, and of course the head of HEDMO from the Southern Philippines Medical Center, Dr. Kim, and to the members of the top management, to the head of different services, our President of the DEA, Dr. Ruela Gilao, to the rank and file, all the rank and file of this Cotabato Regional Medical Center. Again, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning. It is with great pride and heartfelt gratitude that I welcome you all to this momentous occasion. The inauguration of our newly established Hospital Emergency Disaster Management Unit, which is the HEDMO, and the unveiling of our renovated hospital lobby. Today marks not only the opening of new structures, but the strengthening of our commitment to quality patient care, emergency preparedness, and public service. The creation of Emergency Disaster Management Unit, the HEDMO, is a testament to our hospital foresight and readiness in the face of natural disasters, health crises, and other emergencies. This facility will serve as the heart of our coordinated response, ensuring that we protect the lives of our patients, staff, and community with speed, strategy, and compassion. Meanwhile, our newly renovated lobby is more than just a physical upgrade. It reflects our vision of a healing environment that is welcoming, safe, and efficient. It stands as the first point of contact for our patients and their families, which is a space where we want them to feel comforted, cared for, and respected. We thank all those who have contributed to turning this vision into reality, particularly our Medical Center Chief, Dr. Dimaren. The hospital leadership, the top management, the project teams, our partner agencies, donors, and stakeholders who supported this endeavor. Your hard work, dedication, and collaboration are deeply appreciated. As we move forward, let these new spaces symbolize that not just change in infrastructure, but a renewed spirit of excellence and preparedness in everything we do. So together, we build not just a facilities, but a future of resilience and hope. Once again, welcome and thank you for celebrating the milestone with us. Wabillahi taufiq walhidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you so much, Dr. Maliga. Your words remind us of the heart